we have the assisted step up. So this height could be lowered or higher depending on your height and how experienced you are, how comfortable you are. And the assisted step up, we have this post that I'm going to use as assistance. You could also use the ring like we've done in the reverse, assisted reverse lunge, or you could have a box next to you, but whatever you find that's very sturdy and firmly planted to the ground, you could use as assistance. So making sure our hands nice and firm, foot is up, and it's pretty simple. We're using more of this top leg, the leg on top of the box or platform, to push up, bringing our other leg up onto the platform, the box, and we're stepping down slowly and carefully. So we always want to match the reps that we're doing from left to right. So you might look down just to make sure your footing is correct, as you can see that I'm doing here. And once you get all the way to the top, make sure you finish, come back down, take a breath. Yeah, you see right there, even me, maybe I was nervous with the video camera, but going up, I kind of tripped or hit my toe on this box. So as beginners, we want to build the habit of making sure you raise up your knee nice and high to get our foot firmly planted and safely bring it back down as you finish. Again, so the box height could be adjusted to the level that fits your fitness level.